What's up guys, it's Sean from Tint Warriors, and I'm going to show you how fast you should be able to shrink a back window once you learn to become a professional window tinter. Let's get set with the outside prep, put that dryer sheet on, and then I'll show you guys how quick you should be able to shrink a back window once you've learned the skill of window tinting. I'm just going to do our standard outside prep, wipe the window, dryer sheet it up. Now if you guys want to learn the in-depth training of every aspect of the window tinting business and the skill itself, check the link down in the description, windowtintwarriors.com, and get in the program now. Because there's only so much that you can learn from YouTube. Even in my videos, I don't go in depth so that you're able to grasp the true technique of hand cutting and installing. All you hear me say is spray, squeegee, spray. In this course, or in this school, in this mentorship, you're gonna learn every aspect of the skill. Speed the drying process up just a little bit. Our dryer sheet's all dry. We're gonna lay our pre-cut pattern. Now in the course, we're gonna go over hand cutting and pre-cutting, but for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna have a pre-cut piece, mount our H pattern down the center, and the sides. All right, now we're gonna set a timer, and we're even gonna shrink over this sticker here. Not a problem at all. Start, stopwatch. And that's it, let's go. And time, 1 minute and 32 seconds. That's how long it should take you to shrink a back window. Now think how fast you can do an entire car with the ability of shrinking a back window within 1 minute and 30 seconds. I've taught so many students hands-on here at the Window Tint Warriors hands-on training that you could reap the benefits of the hands-on training for a fraction of the cost with the online tint school. You just have to take the information that you receive and put it to work. I'll see you guys there. Hope you enjoyed the video.